Hello guys and welcome to this Viblo AI tutorial for beginners. Now, if you have never made a video before, never used editing software, and don't want to show your face, this is the beginner walkthrough for Viblo, without anything assumed. By the end, you're going to be able to have posted your first video and understand exactly what you're paying for. So let's start at the very beginning. Now guys, it's important to mention that Viblo has like a 7-day free trial, but you're gonna need a credit card for this, and just make sure that you cancel before the 7-day ends, otherwise you're gonna get charged, okay? But yeah, you can have your 7-day trial by just signing in with your Google account. And if you want to know how to cancel your account or your subscription, we have another tutorial on the channel that shows you how to do this. Now, let's talk about the sidebar, okay? So this sidebar can feel like a lot the first time you see it. So just take a breath because you don't need to learn 11 tools today. Almost everything a beginner needs lives in one single starting point, which we're about to click. And that's going to be either the video story or the video commentary. So guys, what's going to happen in the video story is that you're going to be able to create like a story or a video from scratch directly by inputting a script. So what you can do in the video story is that you can basically paste your script in here, or you can even generate it with artificial intelligence. So let's say we want to talk about strange facts about the human brain, and we want to keep it casual, and we want to, do it for short. So we're going to select 45 seconds. You can also create like an opening hook that I recommend it be catchy and a video ending call to action. But let's generate the script. And not only that, but you can also select like a social media widget to include at the start, and this can be like a commentary from YouTube, from Reddit, from anything. But I'm gonna keep it simple in this case. Okay, now that the AI generated our script, we're gonna move to next. And when you do that, what the AI is gonna do is gonna create like a preview of this video, and I'm not gonna play it with sound for copyright issues, but basically it's gonna use the script that it generated before, as you can see. Okay, and if I play with audio, there's gonna be a voice in there, okay, like an AI voice. Now, very importantly, guys, you have to select the adequate text, okay, depending on your style and what you think is gonna work best. So I'm gonna select this one here, for example. Okay, and you can increase the size, and you can also change the color, to be honest, as you can see. And of course, you might think this is a little bit too center, in which case you can click on drag caption and you can move it below or above. Okay, when this is ready, we're gonna click on next. We're gonna have to select now the voices, okay? So for these, as I said before, you have multiple voices. These are 8 voices, so I recommend you go through all of them and you preview them to see how they look. You can even increase or decrease the volume, okay, make sure it's not too loud, and also select some background music or completely disable it. Okay, so this is great. And finally, guys, one of the most important bits is going to be the background video. Now, you can generate a video using AI, but this is not something that I recommend because the background video is going to be basically the bread and butter of your video. So I recommend it be good quality and you use some kind of B-roll or things like that to kind of make it a little bit more unique. But of course, you should never keep this Minecraft background video. So as you can see here, we have different examples, which are cool, but they're not the best and they're very generic. So you have to adapt the situation to your specific video. Okay, so I recommend you click on upload and just do it. Okay, so after you're ready, just click on generate story video, and that's gonna be it. Now the video commentary section is gonna be similar, but in this case, you're gonna be uploading the video from YouTube or from your own computer directly. And from here, you can do exactly the same thing, okay? You're just gonna have to mute the original video, and you're gonna have to use your own script, okay? But it's very similar to the video story. You can use your fonts, your different saves, things like that, okay? So all of these features are gonna work pretty much the same, even the split screen. So in the split screen section, you're gonna have one video below and one video on top. And you can just use them to showcase different scenarios and to kind of make a short video showing the comparison between two of them, which is great. And finally, guys, we come to my favorite feature, which is the auto clipping. So here you can basically just paste like a YouTube video. And what this is going to do is that, the auto clipping feature is going to essentially trim the video and it's going to make a more engaging, a more persuasive video. Okay, but giving you different clips on it. This is similar to other features or to other like services, but it's something good to have. Now, the other features, such as the generate AI voiceover and the video transcriber, are not so good in my opinion because of the fact that you can use other services that are going to be better. And the AI video generator we already covered in other tutorial. Okay, so the only thing left is the AI image generator. Now this is pretty good because it's included within Viblo, but keep in mind that this is going to spend some credits. Okay, so always keep your credits afloat, because you can see just by creating the AI video, I consume over 7 or 8 credits. So, that's pretty much it. This is a good tool for a specific type of video, which is going to be like the short, viral video kind of stuff. Okay. And in the next tutorial, I'm going to give you my honest review and my honest opinion on it. Okay. But that's it, and thank you so much.